Japan's culture is like a well-crafted haiku performed on a bullet train. We are rooted in tradition and are moving into the future at lightning speed. Japan is a masterpiece of contrast where Zen gardens, kimonos and temples stand gracefully beside skyscrapers, anime heroes and technology. We are a society where politeness is ingrained and the art of arranging flowers is taken as seriously as designing robots.
Fun fact: Japanese students clean their own classrooms, hallways and even toilets every day. It cultivates discipline, respect and teamwork. Sayonara!
Mexico's culture is rooted in the legacies of Aztec and Maya civilizations. Indigenous heritage is blended with Spanish influences to create a rich tapestry of music, art, cuisine and celebration. It's a country where murals tell stories as boldly as mariachi trumpets and where celebration isn't an occasion but a lifestyle.
Fun fact: a popular tourist spot is La Isla de las Muñecas, an island with thousands of dolls hanging from trees and buildings. Barbie would hate it there. All those dolls are either headless, eyeless, limbless, burnt and battered. It's a supernatural experience, but raw and unsettling. Very creepy. Adios!
temples as timeless props. Today's Egyptians fill the scenes with bustling bazaars and vibrant music. The serpentine course of the Nile flows like liquid history. Egypt is where hieroglyphs sing poetries of eternity and a culture whose echoes resonate across millennia.
Fun fact, in Egypt, many people believe that if you write something down in pencil and lick it, it will come through faster, extremely jokingly, even today among friends. Why don't you give it a try? Ma al-salama.
Ethiopia is home to ancient kingdoms, many ethnic groups, and rock-hewn churches. It gave the world coffee, then turned drinking it into a full ceremony. With music that makes feet move, food that insists on being shared, Ethiopia proves that elegance can laugh and dance at the same time.
Fun fact, Ethiopia has its own unique calendar. While it's 2025 in most countries, it's still 2017 there. The next time you visit Ethiopia, you can knock 7 years off your actual age. Instant anti-aging hair. Dena Hulu.
Ich schau ins tiefe Tal hinab ins schöne Land Tirol. Ich sieh die weißen Nebel ziehen, die Sonne scheint ins Quent. Tiroler Land, mein Heimatland, ich lieb dich ohne Ende. Bergnatur und lieb die Blärmal heiß, den Bäumerausch und Enzian und auch das Edelweiß. Den Jodler und den Zitterklang hör ich fürs Leben gern. Jetzt hört's mal zu ihr lieben Leid, jetzt hört's ein Jodler hören.
we have more fluent German speakers amongst our lot.
Guten Abend allerseits.
Ja, die Sprache spielt eine große Rolle in der deutschen Kultur.
Die deutsche Kultur ist vielfältig.
Klar, Kunst, Musik, Fußball, Feste sind eine große Aspekte.
Germany is called as the land of poets and thinkers.
Genau, Komponisten wie Beethoven, Mozart sind weltweit bekannt.
Weißt du, woher kommt die Black Forest Cake?
Ja, natürlich.
Fun fact.
Germans usually don't wish happy birthday in advance.
Ja, es ist Unglück und respektlos.
Cheers!
Vanakkam and Namaskaram. Where do we even begin? A place we all call home. Way too diverse and incredible on all fronts. India is less of a country and more a grand stage play where history, culture and chaos all demand the lead role.
Interesting fact. The UPSC Civil Service exam is considered one of the most competitive in the world, with the success rate of less than 0.2%. Their syllabus is a proof that infinity actually exists. Nandi Satyakal.
Arey Pachi, what are you searching for from the beginning?
Oi, they told me it's a catwalk. Been searching for a while, but can't find a cat.